Massive flood looms in Nigeria as Cameroon set to open Lagdo Dam. That is their dam where they threaten us.
Damn it, man.
Damn it.
Damn it.
They want to open them.
They never open them. Never sabi swim.
They say they sign constitution. Nigeria say they do every 4 years or some particular time. Then they sign constitution because I don't understand why they do. That's what they do. I'm Adamawa. Almost all the northern part of Nigeria was flooded. Yeah. Now the one on that one now.
So what I want to ask now, say for this dam now, I take concern us. So they be like our savior now. They wage the dam for Nigeria to survive.
From Calabar to Cameroon, when I travel that way, I go with ship. I think it's 8 hours journey.
Okay.
So now just that big, now that river, that water, now in the market.
There.
So it's just a stone through.
So if they just open that thing, boom. And it be like say if they no open, it be like say their own country go they flooded. And they no want, so they want. Damn it, man.
Damn it. But you know, what I say for you, Nigeria is a blessed country.
Okay.
No doubt about that.
No doubt. You see, this Nigeria is a blessed country. All this kind of thing, you no go say for Nigeria say flood, one open flood, they go destroy.
No natural disaster for Nigeria. Now we they create our own natural disaster.
The only natural disaster we have in Africa
is our colleagues.
Because what I notice for this every small thing now, other countries go dey small country. Then I see Cameroon now they say they want open, they threaten us. My brother, this thing they don't too threaten us. According to Igwe, something must kill a man. When I see this news, I don't go buy life jackets.
Wait till fear me. See when I notice say Cotonou money don't big pass our.
Imagine. Ghana want to the crowd joke that yeah. Ghana must Baba. Ghana don't get. I want them to get value.
I see one Cameroon and do video now. They tell Nigerians come to Cameroon, come and our money now they laugh for us.
MOG, I went to look. I went to Ghana this April. I went to Ghana. As I talked before, Nigeria is one of the best countries. As you talk Ghana money now, there are 50,000 for there. If you can't call Nigeria, if you want to change that, now our money don't go.
Ghana CD.
Before for Nigeria, yeah, if you go to Ghana with 100,000, you're a millionaire. Now, if you go to Nigeria with 100,000 to Ghana now, you know people, you're a Polonia. Polinus now, can you be Polinus?